Hey YouTube, what's going on? This is Jason. Tonight's been a pretty good night. We are all in the green right now. It is Tuesday, pretty much going into Wednesday morning. How are you guys doing tonight? I just got off work, so I am doing stupendous. Let's see how the top 6 coins are doing out of the 100 top current cryptocurrency markets today. Before we get into that, let's take a look at the, let's see, we got market cap for overall is 132 billion. It looks like 24-hour volume is at around 34,945,000. And it looks like we got a Bitcoin dominance of about 51.7%, which is why a lot of things, well, pretty much the whole entire market's green. So as I've said in prior videos, you want to keep that Bitcoin dominance around 51-ish, where it's at right now. If you get anything above 52%, you're going to really start seeing a lot of red. So with that said, let's go ahead and get into this and see how things are looking today. And things are looking actually pretty dang good. It looks like Bitcoin Cash is still in the number. Let me go ahead and refresh this real quick just to see for sure. Okay, Bitcoin Cash is still in the number 6 spot. You got a market cap of about 2.344 billion. Your total for the coin right now is at $132.78. And actually, we're up 4.86%, which is really good. Let's go ahead and take a look at that 24-hour chart. And 24-hour is looking... oh, yeah, that looks real good. Looks like this is about your high. We started off pretty flat today, kind of sideways, and then all of a sudden, we just right around this point is when we started really shooting up. It looks like the highest we got for Bitcoin Cash today would be 134.16. Then we retraced back down a little bit. Then right around in here, you're doing some sideways trading. And then you spike up a little bit again here. Got up to 133.78. And then you retrace back down again to about 131.20. I'd say that's probably about your lowest you're going to get for Bitcoin Cash today. But the market's looking pretty good today. I mean, let's hope we can continue to build off of this momentum. Let's go ahead and take a look at number 5, which I can take a pretty wild guess who that is, which I would be right. Litecoin. Big shocker. Let's see, you've got a market cap of 3.220 billion, and it is currently at $53. And Litecoin is holding on to that $50 mark. We want to try to keep that range around $50 if it's possible. And I can see it possibly testing 55. And in the next couple of days, if we can keep this progress of momentum going, I could even possibly say maybe 57. You know, I'm hoping to see 60 in the coming weeks, but we just got to kind of take that one step at a time. It looks like we're up. Wow. Litecoin is actually at 13.39%. That is really amazing. Let's go ahead and take a look at that 24-hour chart. And your 24-hour on Litecoin looks as follows. Yeah, the same thing. Look at this back here. This point here, you were pretty flat, but then all of a sudden right here, you just take a big spike. That was a really big move. It jumped all the way up to 51.90, and it kept going up, and then it looks like we got up to about 54.02, and then it kind of retraced back down again to about your lowest point is 52.04. It looks like, no, actually your lowest will be back here, which is around 46-ish. I want to say 46.67, somewhere around there. But then you really shot up here, 53. Then a lot of sideways here, but I can really see Litecoin getting to 55. and then your next resistance is going to be, say, 55, 56, and then you're going to really start pushing towards 60. I mean, I'm thinking maybe in the next couple of weeks we could see a $60 Litecoin. But that remains to be seen. But I'm really hoping it continues to go up. I want it to go back up to 100 again. And okay, number 4 is EOS, and actually EOS looks pretty good too. It's got a market cap of 3.4 billion, and it's at $3.76. And actually EOS is up 13.99%, which is really good. So EOS usually tends to be one of those coins that don't do much, but today it's doing really well today. Very impressive. Yeah, same thing. See back here, it's really flat back here, then all of a sudden you get this big spike here. And for EOS, it looks like your topped out was 380 right there. And it looks like 384 is going to be your top, and then it retraces down again. And right now, as I said, you're at about 376. And guys, please tell me if I'm focusing in okay. I want you guys to be able to see the screen. Just let me know in the comments below if there's anything I could do to make this better for you. I always welcome suggestions. Okay, with EOS, yeah, that's pretty much it. Just between this area here, sideways trading. We kind of got some sideways trading going on, and you had that big run up, and now things are finally starting to calm down a little bit. Let's go to number 3, which is one of my big favorite coins now, XRP Ripple. And I'm thinking it's an idea I've had in my mind about doing another show just totally devoted to Ripple. So let me know what you guys think. If you want me to, stick to the other coins, I can do that. But I'm thinking about doing another segment just totally devoted to Ripple. So let me know what you think. But with Ripple, it holds the number, XRP holds number 3 spot at 13.032 billion for your market cap. And right now, your price on Ripple is at 30.3145. And we are up actually 2.82%, which is great. Let's go ahead and take a look at Ripple's 24-hour chart. Like I've said before in the past, I remember before we could buy this on Coinbase, I just always wanted this coin. So I'm really jazzed that Ripple is finally on Coinbase, and I'm just really so excited, and I want to continue buying Ripple because it's always been one of my favorite coins. So the 24-hour for XRP looks as follows. Looks pretty good. It looks like the same kind of pattern here. Kind of flat back here, but then all of a sudden it really had that spike today. And it looks like got about 0.308. And your highest 0.3178. And it looks like 0.317. So I think 0.3178. Actually, I think it got up to 32 cents today, which is really amazing. But for Ripple, I mean, there was possible reports of Ripple going down to below 0.30, 30 cents. But I really believe that with this new bull run here, we could test 35 cents real soon. I mean, it's a possibility we could even test 37 cents. But we got to keep that forward momentum going. I mean, it's just really important to keep that volume and that momentum going, because I'm wanting to see Ripple back to the 40 to 50 cent range. I remember about a year ago, gosh, it was like $1.50, something like that. I mean, I remember wanting to get in back when it was $2, but for my sake, I'm kind of glad it's down now. But I do want to see, I really see Ripple going to at least $2 or more a coin again. I mean, I think it's just going to be a really good coin, and I'm just really excited to have it part of the Coinbase family now, because in my opinion, Coinbase is probably one of the easiest exchanges to operate. It's really good for dummies like me, and it's a good thing. So let's go ahead and see who the number 2 spot is. Drum roll. Let's see. Ethereum. Ethereum is at market cap of 14.519 billion, and it's got a price tag of $138.12. Actually, we're doing pretty darn good too for Ethereum. My bad. We're doing good for Ethereum. We're up 7.56%. And like I said, I still own one lousy Ethereum, but I'm hoping that eventually I will be able to add more. And I'm hoping to add more Litecoin. I actually recently sold out my Litecoin, but that's something I'm going to get. I eventually want to diversify more portfolio. I want to get to the point where I have a little bit of everything, which I think is a really good idea. Let's go ahead and take a look at that 24-hour chart on Ethereum. And Ether, let's see, 1-day chart for Ether. Excuse me, guys, I got real bad allergies right now. Let's see. It looks like it's pretty flat here in this point for Ether, but then this is the point, just like all the other coins. This is when it really skyrocketed. Well, kind of made that big jump today. But it got up to about, let's see, 138.23, and right here it looks like it's your highest at about 139.61. Then it retraced back down again to about 136, and I think the lowest we got was about 133. But as I've said in the past, sometimes these do tend to, they might. There's always a little bit of a pullback when you have a big run up like that. So don't freak out if it starts going down a little bit. Just be patient. And, of course, another drum roll. Here is the number 1 coin. Can anybody take a big, wild guess who that is? Holy crap, it is Bitcoin. Let's see. Bitcoin has a market cap of a whopping $68,357,000. Wow. Actually, the cost of Bitcoin is $3,889.82. I don't know if you guys can remember when it was once 19,900, but I kind of wish I was the guy who bought in when it was $1 and sold out at that much. Yeah, I think I'd be pretty damn happy about that. But anyway, if it ever goes to $1 again, I can promise you I will sell my darn truck and I will buy 10,000 freaking Bitcoins and just wait till they go back up. Well, that's a dream world. That'll probably never happen, but let's get into Bitcoin. Okay, Bitcoin is up 3.20%, and your 24-hour chart looks as follows. Let's see. Yep, pretty much the same business here. Pretty flat back here. But then right around here is when you had that big run up. And your big thing for Bitcoin today was about 3902.80. Yeah, 3902.82. And let's see what this is back here. About 3905. It looks like your top out. And then you kind of retrace down again, and you're just pretty much sideways for a while. I think we're going to probably be seeing sideways for at least a couple of days. And, and that's really a good thing. You just want a lot of stability. Well, we're going to see for Ripple if there's any interesting news today. Because, like I said, Ripple has become one of my new favorite coins. And let's see what's going on. I'm not really seeing anything really noteworthy here. So, let's see. Ripple price analysis dips and XRP remains attractive to buyers, of course. Let's see. Ripple XRP underperforming in a high-octane market is undervalued. Yes, I definitely think that Ripple is definitely undervalued with such a huge market cap. I just don't understand. Maybe I'm a moron. I don't know how it can have such a huge market cap and be only worth 30 cents. But anyway, guys, I guess, that's going to just about do it for today. I don't really see any noteworthy news, so you know what? That's going to do it for today. This is Jason Banky signing off. I hope y'all have a fabulous Tuesday evening. Peace out.